Hi, I'm Pat Galinsky from Resurface Specialist and Home Surface Solutions. Remember that name, we'll talk about that in a little bit. Counter refinishing, we've done a ton of it over the last 15 years and we're going to do it right here on this countertop. This is granite. The customer doesn't like this color anymore, and the customer happens to be my wife and myself because this is our home. And I always say this to my customers, we have refinished in our last 3 homes with all my products. They hold up fantastic. So we're going to eliminate this color by refinishing. We have about 30 different colors that we always offer our customers. This particular color is called Fossil. That's the actual color in liquid form that we will be spraying over this granite countertop. And it holds up fantastic because we chemically bond this product to the stone. Now, I have replaced these faucets, I don't know, maybe about 3 years ago when we bought this place, and they're nearly not holding up that great, and they're not working decor-wise anymore. And I want to show you what I'm going to do here. This is your typical 4-inch spacing faucet. We're going to be eliminating these outer holes, so we're only using the center hole with our brand new single lever faucet. And you're going to say, how do you do that? We're going to fill this with fiberglass and a 2-part filler, blend it so when it's sprayed up, these outer holes disappear. Now you can only do that when you refinish a counter because you're covering up the old color and the old filler. So this will be a 1-day job. I'm going to start right now and get this done. Now, Home Surface Solutions, remember I said, remember that name. This new company that we have started, we can offer protective coatings on countertops, showers, fiberglass showers, tile, glass, and even stainless steel appliances. It gives you a lifetime coating over those surfaces. Now we're going to apply that coating on the newly refinished surfaces so it'll be much easier to clean, safe, sealed, and just enhance the look of it. So I'm excited to show you that when we're all done. Right now, I gotta get to it. So here we are. This color is called Fossil. It looks awesome, especially with the white undermount sink. And remember, we talked about I filled in both holes. So I am going to install 2 new faucets. This one's just sitting here, but you can see the difference between the 4-inch centered old holes that are gone to the single lever. Crisp, clean, looks updated. So with our new company, Home Surface Solutions, we just took this finish to the next level by wet sanding, polishing, adding our permanent coating. This surface is now easier to clean, glossier, and stain resistant. You guys at home, do you need something like this done? Give us a call today, 772-678-9758. We're here to help.